Okay, so here we have a question about substituting into a formula. And we are told that S equals 0.5 or a half times A times T squared. So, and we're told that T equals 3 and A equals a quarter. So S equals 0.5 times A, which is a quarter, times T squared, which is 3 squared. Now just notice how I've written a quarter there. I don't like the way it's written there. Oblique fractions make things difficult. Write your fractions nice and clearly there with a top, a line and a bottom. Okay, now all we've got to do now is work that out. Now if we had a calculator we could go straight into that, but this could be set on a non-calculator exam. In fact it probably would be. So the trouble is here we've got a mixture of decimals and fractions. Now it is actually much easier without a calculator to multiply fractions together than it is decimals. So I'm going to write, instead of 0.5, I'm going to write a half times a quarter times 3 squared, which is 9 over 1. Now notice that when we have AT squared, the squared just applies to the t. That doesn't mean the square of AT, it means A times T squared. Okay, so it's a quarter times 3 squared. I've written 3 squared, not just as 9, but 9 over 1, because I'm working in fractions here. Now to multiply fractions together, we do top times top, or in this case, top times top times top, 1 times 1 times 9, over bottom times bottom times bottom, which is 8. 9 over 8, well let's turn that into a mixed number. 8 into 9 go 1 with remainder 1. So that is 1 and 1/8, which as a decimal is 1 and an eighth. And we should know an eighth is a half of a quarter. A quarter is 0.25 and half of 0.25 is 0.125. So 1 and 1/8 is 1.125. Done.